Alright, what's up? So, as y'all can see, if y'all watched previous videos, y'all can see that I have a haircut. I got a buzz cut. Alright, it was really hot, so I went ahead and got me a buzz cut just to feel good. But yeah, so I'm feeling pretty good, and I ordered some clear corner lights and tail light lenses for my B2200. So that's what today's video gonna be. So let's hop straight into that. Alright, so I went ahead and marked everything out here. I hope so. If I didn't, don't try. Alright, just don't. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and slice this box open. I don't know if I can do it with one hand. I can't even open it. Don't mean the sharp object. I can't even open the sharp object with one hand. Let's see if I can do this. Hold on. Never mind, I don't feel like cutting myself. I was gonna try to swing this thing around. We're gonna go ahead and cut into this bad boy. I always cut towards you, you know, of course. Safety procedures. Go ahead and rip this bad baby open. Alright, so as you can see, it actually didn't come. Alright, as y'all can see, they look amazing already. They ain't even on the truck, and I can already tell they're gonna look amazing. And yeah, they are really clear. So if you do get these, you might have to check with your state laws about vehicle lighting, but I'm gonna have to get some, I'm gonna get me some bulbs, some colored LED bulbs to go for my lights. You gotta have like white backup, red brake / running lights, and then yellow or amber turns. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have to do all that, which is, it's not a problem. I already got some ordered. Got them off of Temu. I'm gonna do a video about that too. The review on some Temu LED bulbs, because I got some of my tail lights right now, and they're actually really good. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and slap these bad babies on, show y'all what to do. So let's get into that. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the corner lights. For the corner lights and the tail lights, all you need is just a little Phillips head screwdriver. And if you have like good tail lights and stuff, like your stuff's actually glued together and it's not just like falling apart, then you might have to get some like heat or something to separate the actual lens from this. But that's you gotta do that after you take this. But anyways, to start off, there's just gonna be screw right there, and it's the same on both sides. So you just want to go ahead and start unscrewing these. And I actually got an impact drill or whatever you want to call it with a Phillips head on. I didn't even think about that. So it's gonna speed up the process a lot. So if you do have a little impact with a Phillips head on it, it'll speed up the process a lot, be a lot helpful. So you just want to take that bad boy out. That's one. Don't lose the screws. I about lost that one. Boom, that's two. That's what I'm saying right here. See, it usually has like a lining inside of it, but I can just like take mine off, so it's really easy. But if you don't, I mean, if yours is glued together, just take like a hair dryer or something, just run it up and down, and it'll separate that glue off of there. And just go ahead and take that off. And let's see which one of these is the right one. I would say, well, daggone, I don't know if they're broke off or they just didn't come with clips. That's not good. This is the left side. Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, son, that right there is already looking a lot better. So now you can just go ahead and screw that back in. I'm gonna have to set y'all down though, because I can't screw back in with one hand. So yeah, I'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all. I went ahead and got this side in, and I got that side in. I couldn't record it, but it's like 100 or something outside right now. And I put my phone on the hood for like 5 seconds, and it was like, nope, you can't record. You can't even use the iPhone until you fucking let it cool down. So I went inside, threw it in the refrigerator for a little minute so I can hurry up, get this video done. All right, but yeah, anyways, this is what the front looks like right there with the clear corners. Freaking love it, dude. With the clear turn signals too. And I'm probably gonna get like a chrome grille and a chrome bumper one of these days. I don't know when that's gonna be. Probably when I start taking this truck seriously and not just taking beating on it. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do these tail lights. So let's go ahead and get on that. All right, so if y'all didn't believe me, I thought it was actually gonna be closer to 100, but it's only like 95, 97, something like that. But this is kind of in a shaded area right now. Usually it's at like 115. Yesterday it was at like 110. So yeah, but I don't know. The hood of that truck is also hard to be this metal. But let's go ahead and put those lights in. All right, so for the tail lights, it's the same idea, except for the tail lights, you have this outside frame right here. This outside frame, mine's white because I painted it. But you're probably gonna have to, just like my fronts, everything right here just comes apart. But I think that might be glued together if you have like a brand new assembly or something. But it's the same idea with the screws. Just boom, boom, what's that? Boom, boom, and then it should just pop apart. But let's go ahead and do that. I might be able to set you up to be able to watch me do this one. So let's see. All right, after you got the screws out, this is what I'm talking about. Mine just comes out, and then I think there's some screws on the back that you might have to take out. Where's that? There's one right there. I don't know what that goes to though, but I'm pretty sure I can just take mine off. Let's see here. Now I can take my frame off, or I should. Maybe not. I remember it like I could though. Okay, no, I cannot. So yeah, you actually need some Phillips heads. So one right there, same time on the other side. And then I'm trying to show you right there at the top, or that's the bottom actually. So right there at the bottom will be a Phillips head, and then one at the top, same spot right there. So let's go ahead and unscrew them. It's probably gonna be a smaller Phillips head. Try not to strip these out. That's one. That one's stripped. Okay, wait, I think what it is, the side ones release the lens, and the top ones release, yeah, okay, that's what it is. The side screws release the lenses, and the top pieces, the top screws, release the frame. So just go ahead and unscrew the side pieces. Okay. And as you can see, I got mine out, just like that. And you can see I got that red Timu LED in there. Works pretty stinking good, dude. I love it. But now, make sure this is the right side. I'm not sure. I think this is, see here, yeah, this is how it's supposed to be right here. And so, you take this one. Okay, so the small square is supposed to be on the left side of it. So this is not the right one. Okay. Take it, put it back in there. You might have to take your frame off, just because this one, these seem a little bigger. They might not fit right in. Not positive on that statement though. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try it without the frame off. I'll get back with y'all. All right, so as you can see, got it screwed back in. I lost a bottom screw. I just gotta hope I don't run that over. I'm not too worried about it holding the frame. It seems like the frame's still holding good, but I took that wire, that connection off right there, just so I have more space to play with this thing. But I got it all screwed back together, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the truck. And yeah, I'll do the other side and I'll get back with y'all. Alrighty, I got them in. Take a look. Oh, amazing, dude. I'm so glad I got these. On that side right here, I had no troubles at all. But on this side, I guess it was just like stuck or something. I don't know. I had a hard time doing it. And I broke this little bezel piece again. I want to get me another one, probably a chrome one or something. I don't know. I do like the white though, so I might just like, I don't know, JB weld that or something and just put it back together. But yeah, overall, they look amazing. I heard that one crack, but I don't see any cracks in it. Hopefully I didn't break it, because I don't want to buy another one. But yeah, if y'all want to buy a set of these, I'll put the ones that I bought, which come with the tail lights and the corner lights. I'll put those down in the description, and I guess I'll put the turn signals in the description too, if y'all want to go ahead and get a set of them, and you can just buy them all together. They might have a set where they have all of them in one purchase, but I'll get the tails and the corners together and then the turn signals separate. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, and if this was helpful, then it would be much appreciated if you went down below, hit the like button, and possibly even subscribe. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. See y'all boys next time.